What's up, I'm Pusher, and this is another Music Minute where we talk about how music works. And today we're going to look at how to use pitch and rhythm to read a piece of music. Spaces above middle C in the treble clef are F, A, C, E. Now the first note that we're going to play is below that F, so we have to count down. So F is in the bottom space, E on the line, and D is the note that we want to play. We can use that process to figure out that the next notes are C and G. Notice that this G is tied to the next one, so you'll play it like it's one note. Now we'll repeat that process for the left hand. If middle C is up here, then the spaces in the bass clef will be A, C, E, G, below middle C. We use these four notes as a reference to figure out what the other notes in the bass clef are. The first two will be G and D. Notice that they're stacked vertically, so they'll be played at the same time. If you're trying to read sheet music, there's a good chance that you've heard the song you're trying to play before, in which case you'll probably intuitively figure out most of the rhythms. But if you're unfamiliar with a certain part of a song, or you're trying to play music you've never heard before, then you can simply count to whatever number corresponds with the smallest type of note in the bar, and play the notes at the same time as the numbers they line up with.